And I'm just going to pop these in right now. These ones are newer for me, but I'm absolutely in love already because they are just so nice on the eyes. They look very, very natural, and I love that about them. Okay, so these ones are the Ambar, and I think they look super, super natural. They're like a greenish. Slightly have more of a blend towards the outer rim, so if you do see a little peak of your natural color, it does not look very noticeable. That is what I love about it.
Look at that difference. Oh my god. So it's a lot of a difference. It covers my eyes really well because my eyes are very, very dark brown. The color is really unique. It's like a combination of two colors. It has blue outside and light green inside. So it mixes the colors really well. It's pretty light. It's lighter than the other color that I tried before. I can kind of rock this. Get used to it. I've never worn such light contacts before. This is pretty cool. And there you go. This is the other one in, and both of the lenses. And this is from the Hidrocor Rio collection in Ipanema.
I'm wearing Buzios, Hidrocor Buzios. To be very honest, this is like a very extremely subtle green with some brown undertones. It's like a very thin layer of green. It's not as opaque as a Copacabana, but mind you, the Copacabana is still very, very natural. It's such a subtle green that if you have brown eyes and you're going out at night, nobody would be able to tell that you're wearing contact lenses. So if this is something that you're going for, if this is what you want, this is a color for you. If you want naturalness and you still want people to look at your eyes and be like, wow, you have gorgeous eyes, go for Copacabana. That's only if you're into like the greenish color.
This is the color sea green. I'm gonna get up close for you. Now the sea greens were also very natural because they aren't overly green. Like the lightest one from this collection are the ones I don't have, but these are, I feel these would fit better for dark eyes if you don't want too much enhancement and you want it to look more natural. It is a green kind of hazel color. So this is how Mel looks. It's in this eye over here, and it's a very nice natural green hazel color. Like this is the one that I wear all the time, every single day, because it's so hard for you to tell like if it's real or fake. It's such a natural looking color. So this is Mel in natural colors. And then this is how it would look from afar. Once again, my favorite color ever, just because of how natural it freaking looks, and just looking at myself in the mirror, like it just looks like such a pretty color. It's bright, but it's still so natural looking that, like, you know, I don't know. I'm running out of ways. Sorry, first of all, I'm sweating. But I'm also running out of ways to describe how much I love all these colors.
Alright guys, lastly, Anesthesia Fonesta. Look at this gem. Just look at this. I just want to cry on how beautiful these green contact lenses are. They are probably one of the most, if not the most, natural green contact lenses that I've seen. Just the pupil hole, the texture is not so texturized, it's soft, it's nice, it's silky. The ring around the lens is like a dark olive green, and then towards the center it's like a lime green with little hazel dots in there. Such a beautiful, beautiful color. And these are one of the new lenses from Anesthesia as well that they released, I believe, last year.
So look at this color. This is so beautiful, so natural. It blends so well with the natural color of my eye, and I really love this effect. As you can see, you can just
stand out more your natural eye color.